Well, we're looking for the mean, but we're looking for the missing number, or the number that hasn't been given in our data set. So we've been given the mean, we're looking for the missing data. Okay, so for the first one, the mean of the data is 6, and the piece of data are 9, 3, something, and 5. So what is that missing piece of data? So well, the first step is to work out the mean. So we're going to add the data together. So 9 plus 3 plus x plus 5, okay, divided by 4 is going to be 6. That is a nice straight line right there. Because the median is 6, so all of those pieces of data divided by 4, because there's 4 pieces of information, it should equal 6. We have now basically an equation that we need to solve. So we're going to simplify the numerator. So I'm going to add those together. A little bit of collecting like terms. So I end up with 17 plus x all over 4 equals 6. And now I have a linear equation with a fraction. So our first step will be to remove that fraction. So that 4 starts as division, and when we rearrange, when we move that 4 to the other side of the equal sign, it will become a multiplier. So we're going to solve the equation to find the missing piece of data. So that 4 starts as a divide. When we move it, it becomes a times. That is part of our rearrangement. So 17 plus x equals 24. And then 17 plus something is 24. So 24 take away 17, that something is going to be 7. It took me a while to work that out. Probably should use a calculator, but that's okay. For the second, it's the same thing. We're going to add the data together. So 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 8 plus x plus 6. X is what we're looking for. And the mean of all of that is going to be 5. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data. So we divide our data by 6, and that should give us 5. But we're trying to look for that missing piece of data. So we're going to simplify by collecting like terms on the numerator and end up with 25 plus x all over 6 equals 5. Again, we've got a linear equation with a fraction. So we're going to start by moving that dividing 6. So it starts as a divide. When I move it, it becomes a multiplier. So 25 plus x equals 30. And then I'll move the 25, which starts as a plus, ends as a minus. So x is going to be 5.